Introducing Afterbricks Premium for architects and interior designers. With Afterbricks Premium, we help you to take your business to new heights by providing important features and tools that will transform the way you select products and brands, collaborate with clients, manage ecosystem relationship, and source products seamlessly. Now you can create product collections, as per each space of your project. Seamlessly share shortlisted product collections with clients for their approval and suggestions. Compare discounts from curated brand sellers, negotiate further and buy direct. On a tap, share your BOQ with relevant audience through our e-business tag powered by NFC. Also share your company profile and project seamlessly. Buy verified new project leads and grow your client base exponentially. Join us for a free 3-day trial today and experience the game-changing benefits for the next 12 months. Let's make it easy. Join now afterbricks.com.